The HZG gaming PC desktop. I think it was like 829 bucks with a 5060. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so here's the gaming PC from Newegg.com. It's from HZG. Let's see what we got here. We have power cable, screwdriver, and then this here is the gaming PC. The actual gaming PC is in this box. You made it. You locked me out the house there for a second. Huh, it's much smaller than I thought. It's just a little baby PC. It's like a 1 foot by 1 foot. It's gonna have a 5060 in it. Let's see. Here we have it, folks. This thing looks like it's made in China. Water cooling. This thing has water cooling. It's in black. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, the PC is thicker than I thought. Thicker than a Snicker. Alright, looks like we got some ports. USB ports. No USB-C. Got a power button. HDMI. USB, no USB-C. Okay. Okay, here she blows, my brand new gaming PC from Newegg.com. I guess it's supposed to look this way. Please remove the dampening foam before, otherwise it will damage the internal hardware. Okay. Alright. Looks like this is the GPU, or no.
To make a move to a town that's right for me.
Oh wow, this is glass. This is literally glass. Don't want to break that. It's not even really like, doesn't feel like very sturdy glass at that. What is this? What kind of foam is this? They just shoved like this giant bag in here. Put another expanding form. Okay. So it's an MSI GeForce RTX with all the, oh, this thing's definitely made in China. Looks okay. I wonder what these are for. Alright, so we got the computer taken apart. Gonna take the stickers off the glass. Looks like it's on both sides. Is it on both sides in here too? I hope not. Alright. So far the unpackaging experience is pretty easy in my opinion. I mean, you just gotta take some things out. I am surprisingly disappointed it doesn't have USB-C. Very surprised. It's also definitely made in China. Which, like, I got nothing wrong with being made in China. But like, this thing is from the mainland. You know what I'm saying? Like, very much so. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, it's beautiful. It is really nice looking. Alright, so we got it at the desktop. We have these antennas that are for the Wi-Fi signal, so that's an important piece. Gonna want to get these on as soon as possible. It's a bit thicker than I thought. It's gonna be hard. It doesn't really fit on my desk. So we have the RGB controller light, and then we have these, which are, I guess, the antennas. The thing is loose. The thing is very loose. Whatever the heck I'm connecting to is super loose in there. Alright. Alright. The power cable. Arguably the most important one. Oh, this is magnetic. I didn't even realize this was magnetic. That's kind of cool. This is the HZG desktop computer first startup. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh, HZG gaming. Okay. It works out the gate. I can make it brighter. That is super cool. Oh, the desktop is ready already? Straight to desktop. Let me see if, yeah. Wow, I mean, really just straight to boot up. That is different. No registration for Windows 11. Nothing. Just straight, welcome. Okay. Let's check the connection. Oh, that is super sweet. Let's get the Wi-Fi going. So this PC comes with Windows 11 already and full of these Chinese ads and like different websites, but in Chinese. Yeah. No. Okay. Alright, I got the audio working. You know, PC's not as easy as, Okay, so now we try Fallout London. So far, I'm pretty happy with this thing. To give you an idea of the size, here's a MacBook. It's about the size of a little under 2 MacBooks in height. And about 1.5 MacBooks thick, too. Alright, this is the game that made me get a PC. This is the game that made me get a PC, so I really hope it's good, because my last PC could barely play it, and it was because the VRAM didn't have enough VRAM. This one's got 8 gigs of VRAM, and I'm just like, it better work, you know. With that little RTX 5060, it's a GeForce RTX 5060. And I really like all the colors this thing has. Check out all these colors. And you get the brightness. You can control the brightness if you want it to be bright or not. And then, I like it when it matches.
One day, I'll take my family to see the surface. One day.
58 frames per second. Way better than 10 frames per second with the last one. So I'm actually holding off. I'm able to play this.
Not sure if I'll ever get over seeing a human around.
Oh, heck yes. So we passed Fallout London. This is one of the harder areas. This area right here was, honest to God, my 3050 Ti was doing like 9 frames, 8 frames per second. There was nothing I could do. So let's test another game. So far, so good. The next up will be Helldivers 2. Let's see how Helldivers does. Oh, I can just turn it off if I don't want those lights on. I can just say, no thanks. But I do like them on, so I'll just turn them back on. That's cool. Alright, running install script for Helldivers. What's that? Just start her up, alright? It's my first time starting her up. Okay, it's starting up Helldivers 2. Heck yes, my brothers in Christ. Heck yes. Let's see what this HZG China computer can do. It's very Chinese in there, by the way. I think we've... the menu, it's like this was all
English US.
English, please.
English US.
English, please. Thank you. So we're at a... Accept.
Subtitle mode. Subtitle size.
Text to speech.
Medium.
Subtitle mode. Yep, next.
Subtitle mode.
Master volume. Open microphone. Crossplay is on. Huh. Shouldn't it already be linked from Steam? Alright. So 90, 80 frames per second. Oh, it's still got my guy. Oh yeah, no major orders for me. Defender of our dream. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't remember doing any of that. Issued by the Mish. That's cool. Got a lot of stuff for a haven't played in 213 days. I just bought this on Xbox. Alright. Alright, let's see where the graphics settings are. So, I want to be on Ultra since you're only playing on 1080. Let's do that. High, space quality high, lighting quality high, shadow quality ultra. Alright, so I maxed it out. Okay, now display, we are still at 1080, right? RTX 5060, I'm still at 1080. So, alright, let's see what we can do. So now I've got it set up the wazoo. It's at 120 frames. Alright, let's do some stuff.
Great tidings, Helldiver.
Good day, fine
The
sir.
substance found in the glue may be the greatest gift of free.
And we're at 86 frames per second. 85 on Ultra. Hey, I'm happy with those numbers.
Warning, you are leaving the mission area.
Haven't played on PC in a while. Forgot how to play. Not that button, I'll tell you that. Alright. Well, the good news is we are doing good at 1080p. We're playing Ultra. I don't know if... it looks good, man. Okay, it's playing pretty well on single player.
A good kid. Why? Is he up to